welcome back to another video, and in this video I will be breaking down my 6.96 solve PB single. So this is my first ever sub 7. I think my original PB before this was 7.05 or something like that. So I did beat it by not by a lot, so it was just under 7 seconds. So I did also end up making an X cross, which made it really easy. So I'm going to do the scramble now. I will also be showing it at the end of the video, and it will also be in the description. So let's do the scramble. There we go. So the first thing that I see here is this F12 pair here, which is really good. And I see that there's an edge, and connected with it is its corner, and here is the green and orange edge. So these two go together. So what I was thinking about doing in inspection was I can move this edge over so these two would be correct, and I could do that. But I also noticed that this block was here, so I could just move that down and make an X cross. But what I ended up doing was actually when I brought this when I brought this edge here, it also ended up putting this edge right there, so I could just move it down. And now I would have this really nice X cross. The only problem was this edge right here. So I actually had to do a D2, and I could have just inserted it like that and did it normally and had an X cross already. But what I ended up doing was actually doing a U prime to preserve this pair, then doing an L, then D prime. So now we have an X cross in this pre-made pair, which is already really, really lucky. So now we can rotate and insert that. Now we have this last pair here, and when we were inserting that pair, it actually ended up setting up this pair here. So all we need to do is insert that. So we already have 3 pairs done. So now we have this last pair here. It was still relatively easy, but that was the only one that wasn't already set up or already in its slot. So yeah, really lucky. Now we have this really easy square OLL, and it has blocks all over the place here. So I think I'm gonna either get a PLO skip or a really good PLO. So we're gonna do that algorithm, and we get a JB perm, which is the right-handed one. And since I am right-handed, it is a lot easier for me than the JA perm, which I do left-handed. So overall, just a really, really insane and lucky solve. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it a little faster this time, though. Okay, we have the scramble. Now we can do it again. So first, we have our 3 edges. Now we have our cross. 1 pair, 2 pair, last pair, OLO, then PLO. So it's just really, really lucky, really good solve. First ever sub 7, really good. So, yep, I will be showing the scramble now, as you can see here. This here is the full scramble, I believe. Right there, at the top. As you can see, 6.96, really, really lucky for me. And overall, just a really great solve. So, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.